Introducing the ExpertAire LCQ air-cooled packaged pool dehumidification units. These units are available in 8 tons, 10 tons, 12 tons, and 15-ton models. These units have the same sensible and latent cooling capacities as our LC series products of the same size. The LCQ products feature a 2-inch double wall cabinet with a powder-coated galvanneal steel outer wall and a sturdy galvanized inner panel. Hinged access doors allow easy access to internal components, and all doors have adjustable cam-operated latches and weatherproof compression gaskets between the door and the unit casing to produce an airtight seal. The intake end of the unit includes a horizontal outdoor air intake with a motorized OA damper and actuator. The return air from the pool room is bottom return. The unit features a bypass damper in order to control the airflow across the evaporator coil, and both the OA and RA filters are 4-inch pleated. The evaporator coil and hot gas reheat coils are available with electrofin coil coatings for corrosion protection, and the coils are separated in order to prevent condensate re-evaporation. The electrical panel is easily accessed and includes our DDC operating control, motor overloads, and differential pressure transmitters. The DPTs are used to control constant airflow across the evaporator coil and also to provide an easy method to measure airflow through the unit. The operating controller includes inputs for suction and discharge pressure and also all the zone conditions. The controller also calculates and displays superheat and subcooling values to aid in proper operation. Available control options include low voltage monitor, condensate overflow, and building automation protocols that include BACnet, Modbus, and LAN. Other options may be available, so please ask if you have something particular in mind. Field-mounted sensors will be terminated on a factory-provided terminal strip. The LCQ operating control includes a 2-year subscription to Desert Aire AireGuard. AireGuard is our cloud-based remote access tool that provides owners and operators, as well as the Desert Aire tech support team, the ability to view real-time and historical operating conditions on the unit. Critical alarms can be sent via email and text message to keep the operator abreast of any operational issues. And communication is made only with the AireGuard cloud storage system, so there should be no concern with internal building security. The most common auxiliary heat option on this product will be our internal gas heaters. These are indirect fired 80% efficient heaters available in natural gas and LP gas. We also offer electric resistance aux heaters, and we can also provide a hot water coil if desired. The compressor and receiver are located in the condenser section, and these components are easily accessible. Note the clean copper piping in the unit. This is provided by our CNC copper pipe bending cell and eliminates a significant number of brazed joints. Condenser fans are staged, and the quantity of fans will vary depending on unit size. The roof system uses a fully weatherproof membrane which is sloped to the secondary service side for water drainage. Note that there are no standing metal seams on our roof design. The supply blower is comprised of a direct drive EC fan and will provide years of maintenance-free service. The LCQ packaged unit is a great product for health clubs and roof-mounted hotel projects. Let us know how we can assist you with your indoor pool dehumidification needs. And keep in mind, Desert Aire, optimizing solutions through superior dehumidification technology.